Hello friends, Baba here, and today we read a new book of adventure titled The Little Airplane by Lois Lenski. I know you will enjoy this one. Pilot Small has a little airplane. He keeps it at the airport. It is a fine, sunny day. Pilot Small decides to go up in his airplane. The mechanic fills the tanks with gas. All is ready for the takeoff. Pilot Small climbs into the cockpit and sits down. He fastens his seatbelt. Now he is ready to take off. The plane climbs steeply into the wind. Up and up the little airplane goes. The plane flies along smoothly. The little airplane flies over a town. Pilot Small sees the people walking about like little ants on the street below. The little airplane climbs higher. It flies above the clouds. Pilot Small likes this the best of all. He sees the clouds like cotton beneath him. It is a very beautiful sight. Pilot Small decides to do a loop. He gives a chuckle. He feels very proud of himself. Pilot Small does another loop just for fun. It is growing late. Pilot Small flies back home. He sees his fields, his house, and his garage. He sees his little auto waiting for him beside the airport. Pilot Small glides down against the wind. The airplane makes a perfect landing. Pilot Small shuts off the motor. The propeller stops. He opens the door of the cockpit and steps out. Pilot Small and the mechanic roll the little airplane into the hangar. Pilot Small jumps into his little auto and drives off. And that's all about Pilot Small. Readers, I hope you've enjoyed this story. And until next time, this is Baba saying goodbye.